Okay, today we're going to learn about translation. Translation is when the object is not rotated, reflected, or resized. Translation is about sliding. It's just moving. Okay, translation will be a sliding or moving. Every point of the object must be moved in the same direction and for the same distance. Okay, we're gonna just move it. Now, if we're wanna write algebraic representation or algebraic rule when we're moving or doing translation, so if we move to the right, the x values is going to increase, like this example, x comma y going to x plus k, which k is the number of units that we're moving. If we're moving to the left on the x, then we're going to subtract on the x. And if we're moving up, then we're going to add on the y. K is the number of units that we're moving. If we're moving down, we're going to subtract on the y. Okay, and then we can combine moving right up or uh, left down or left up. Okay, so this is just when we're moving in one direction, but we can combine left, left, right, and up and down. Like this example, we got this triangle, and we're going to move it 6 units to the right. Okay, so we are moving each unit each coordinate 6 units to the right. And the algebraic rule will be x plus 6 because we're moving to the right. Now, let's see another example. We got this one. First, we need to see how many units we move to the right and then how many moves we need to move down. So first, as we can see, we moved 4 units to the right, so we're going to add 4 to the x, and then we're moving down. So we are moving 4 units to the right because first we move to the right and then 9 units down, so we're going to subtract to the y. So first we start with the x, see how many units we move to the left or to the right. In this case was to the right, so we add to the x, and then we move down 9 units, so we're going to subtract 9 units to the y. Let's see another example. We got this one, A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C prime. So we're moving from this one to this one. First, we need to see how many units we move to the right. Okay, so we're moving 4 units to the right, and then we're gonna see how many units we're moving down. So it will be 6 units down. So 4 units, we're adding 4 units to the x because we move 4 units to the right, and we're subtracting 6 units to the y because we move 6 units down. Okay, now what about this one? This is the pre-image, this is the image. So first we move to the left and then we move down. Okay, so we're gonna subtract on the x because we're moving to the left. Okay, we're moving 3 units, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 3 units to the left and 6 units down. So we compare the e coordinate with the e prime coordinate, and it will be 3 units to the left, which subtract 3 to the x, and 6 units down, which we subtract 6 to the y. So we compare all the coordinates, f with f prime, h with h prime, g with g prime. We can see that we're going to subtract 3 to the x and subtract 6 to the y. So that's how you write the rule when we're talking about translation. First start with the x, left to right, and then we add or subtract on the x, and then up and down, that will be for the y. We are going to subtract, if add or subtract on the y if we move up or down. Okay?